Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're on the road and we are heading out of the West Country. I've got my touring kit on. I've checked the traffic. I've changed my money and I've got my passport. And we are on our way to Gloucester. Now the reason we're on our way to Gloucester is because I'm going to be taking part in the police-run BikeSafe course today, which is where you're observed, followed, instructed by a police motorcyclist, and it gives you the opportunity to learn. So I don't often ride on the motorway. I don't think most motorcyclists enjoy motorways, but it'd be interesting to see back later what sort of quality of sound I'm getting at 80-ish miles an hour. So I'm not sure how much of today's course I'll be allowed to film. They may say I can't film any of it. They may say I can film all of it, and then in which case I'm only restricted by my batteries. But we shall see. We shall see. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to turn the radio on, and I will catch up with you guys shortly. Okay, so we've pretty much left the West Country now. The temperature is down to 7 degrees, it just gets so cold up north. I just want to very quickly touch on something. I just want to mention another channel called $1 Million Bogan, but he's had to take a bit of a break from it because of some grief that he got from Harley Davidson over some videos that he did within the Harley Davidson dealership in Geelong. Now I think overall Harley Davidson have had a massive sense of humour failure, and that's what's caused this. His videos are excellent. As I've said, they're entertaining. He is an extremely likeable guy, and he knows how to make a video that gives people joy, and you know, that's quite important. But basically he touched on some political correctness issues, which unfortunately only became a problem because they were talked about within Harley Davidson dealership in Australia, and like I say, Harley took offence to it. Now let's look at the bigger picture. Daniel Hayes, who is $1 Million Bogan, it's his channel, does an awful lot for charities in his area and other areas around the world. He's open about the problems he's had with addiction, with drink and drugs over the years. He's extremely proud of how well he's dealt with those addictions, along with the issues of anxiety and depression, and now he uses his channel as a portal to try and help others to avoid it happening to anybody else, or as few people as possible. And I can see it from both sides, but all I would say is go along to his channel, watch his videos. I fully recommend the Himalayan one where he attempts to take a Harley Davidson from Delhi in India to the top of Mount Everest. something like this can knock someone back so far when they've come so far forward. Depression is a horrible thing. But that's my little moment. That's all it's going to be. Like I say, nothing in the title, no clickbait pictures. People need to stop being so touchy about stuff these days. Especially a company like Harley Davidson, whose mantra has been to buck the norm. Buck society. Do what you want to do. Be the person you want to be, and to hell with the rest. Okay, we're getting a bit closer to Gloucester now. And it really is getting cold up here. We're down to 6 degrees, which I think for you guys in the States is about 41. I mean, I don't know how people survive up here. It's like constantly living a scene from the Day After Tomorrow movie. My visor's starting to ice up. I've been on the road now for a good 25 minutes. I think I'm going to have to pull over and camp, light a fire. I don't know if I'm going to make it. So I think that's... I don't actually know where that's telling me to go now. Let's go this way and see what happens. I'm not even sure if I'm in... Yeah, I think I'm in the right lane.